Guys, welcome back to channel Life Review. My name is Dev and today we'll be doing an unboxing of a quite unique product. So this here is a charging dock for your smartwatch. So now in the market, all the charging docks for a smartwatch that belongs to Apple watches, Samsung, but for poor Amazfit watches, Amazfit BIP, Amazfit GTR, GTS, there is no charging dock available for the watches. So today I thought to try out an experiment. So I got a charging dock for an Apple watch, and I will try to make this a charging dock for my Amazfit BIP, which is here. Very nice watch, by the way. I did the unboxing of this a few days back and the review. I'll put the link of that. Go check that out if you haven't. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing of that. So pretty generic Chinese box, white. A sticker here, so black, right? Mobilook compatible. I'll put the link of this below. I got this for around 350. You can check that out. It's available in black and in white. So as per your convenience, you can buy that. So let's get it out. Yes, typical Chinese product, packed in plastic, and also there is a two-way tape. So I'm not sure, you might want to stick it somewhere in your table if you want, but I don't see any place where it can be used. So anyways, I'll not be using that. So rubberized finish, matte black, so completely made of rubber. It's quite hefty. It is a weight to it, and this has a lip here to hold your watch into place while charging, so something like this. So that's really nice, and it has ridge at the bottom so that it does not slip while you charge your watch. And of course, since this is rubber, this will have a really good grip on your tabletop, right? So I have the charger here. This is for the Amazfit BIP and the G, like of course this is compatible with Amazfit BIP, Amazfit GTR, GTS, even the new generation. So first of all, let me try to put it. So it will go inside from here, so that might take a little bit of an effort. So here it goes. So right, and one good thing is it has a slot here, so which can hold the wire with that. So you simply push it in and there it is. It will not come out. So I like this. And now you will have to again push it out of here. So this is how it looks from the back end, quite sleek. And so as you can see, this slot is a little bit small for the Amazfit watch charger, but this is a perfect fit for Apple watches, for Samsung Galaxy watches. I think 4 and 5 is a complete fit, and also I think this will be a good fit for your Pixel watch. So anyways, those are all high-end watches, so we are talking about Amazfit. So yeah, even if this is small, but this is flexible, so this is how we can put it here. So this is how our charging port looks like. Now let me see if my watch, okay, the watch actually magnetically attached to this. Anyways, this has magnet, but it's still not charging. Maybe we need a little bit more adjustment. So yeah, now finally it works. We have a functional charging dock for my Amazfit watch. So yeah, I think this will be really convenient for people. Like at the end of the day, you can just pop it here and leave it there for your charges. So yes, I will definitely be using it, and yeah, my little experiment is a complete success, right? So that's it for today. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe, and if you have any questions, put them in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and check out one of our latest videos. Yeah, goodbye.